गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। उम्मीद है आप सभी ठीक होंगे। आज हम इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। सो व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल एंड हाउ इट विल क्रिएट। तो जैसा ही नाम से प्रेजेंट है, डाई मीन्स दो, पोल मीन्स सिरे, मतलब जिसके दो सिरे होते हैं उसे हम डाइपोल कहते हैं। इन द सिमिलर मैनर, इफ आई हैव टू चार्जेस ऑफ different signs and they are separated from each other with a small distance 2a, then this arrangement is known as electric dipole. So if two charges of equal magnitude but opposite in direction are separated by a small distance, then the arrangement is called electric dipole. Then the arrangement is called electric dipole. So the condition is, अगर इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल को अगर होना है तो उसके लिए ये बेहद जरूरी है कि जो हमारे पास दो चार्ज है तो वो अपोजिट पोलैरिटी में हो, दूसरा दोनों का मैग्नीट्यूड सेम हो और दोनों एक दूसरे से कुछ डिस्टेंस पर भी हो, तब ये कहा जा सकता है कि इस तरह का जो अरेंजमेंट बनता है वो एक इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल कहलाएगा। बेसिकली जो नेट चार्ज होता है, अगर यहां से दोनों को देखो तो नेट चार्ज अगर हम जोड़ें अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ चार्ज, तो नेट चार्ज एक पर माइनस में एक पर प्लस में, तो टोटल चार्ज किसके बराबर होगा? 0। सो नॉट फर्स्ट टोटल चार्ज ऑन द डाइपोल इज 0। नोट नंबर सेकंड, जो हमारे पास एटम्स होते हैं, एटम का जो सेंटर होता है उस पे ही पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव चार्ज दोनों कोइंसाइड करते हैं। इसका मतलब उसके बीच में सेपरेशन नहीं हो सकता। अगर सेपरेशन नहीं होगा तो जो नेट डाइपोल मोमेंट है या जो नेट डाइपोल है वो किसके बराबर होगा? 0 के। इट मींस इन केस ऑफ एटम, the center of positive and negative charge coincide, hence no electric dipole moment occur in the atom। ये कुछ दो इंपॉर्टेंट सी बातें हैं। एक तो जो उसका नेट चार्ज होगा वो किसके बराबर होगा? 0 पे, और दूसरा क्योंकि एटम के सेंटर में पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव दोनों के दोनों कोइंसाइड करते हैं, जिस कारण उनके बीच में सेपरेशन नहीं हो सकता। अगर सेपरेशन नहीं होगा तो 2a किसके बराबर होगा? 0 के बराबर होगा। अगर ये 0 के बराबर हो तो एक इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल क्रिएट नहीं हो पाएगा, जिस कारण उसका इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल मोमेंट 0 के बराबर होगा। फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर हमारे पास ऑक्सीजन है O, तो ऑक्सीजन का प्लस और माइनस एक साथ होगा, जिसके कारण इसका नेट डाइपोल मोमेंट 0 होगा। नाउ देयर आर सम टाइप्स, so types of electric dipole. Number first, non-polar molecules. Non-polar molecules मतलब यदि किसी भी मॉलिक्यूल का नेट डाइपोल मोमेंट 0 के बराबर होता है तब वो नॉन पोलर मॉलिक्यूल कहलाते हैं। इफ द नेट इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल मोमेंट is 0, फॉर एग्जाम्पल जितने भी हमारे पास मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं H2, O2, N2, some compounds CH4 etc, CO2. सेकेंड वन इज पोलर मॉलिक्यूल्स, मतलब जिसका डाइपोल मोमेंट 0 नहीं होता। Polar molecules, what are they? If the net electric dipole moment exists, then they are called polar molecules. For example, H2O, NH3. बेसिकली जो एग्जांपल्स होते हैं दे आर टेकिंग फ्रॉम देयर स्ट्रक्चर्स। H2O जनरली आप लोग हम ऐसा बना सकते हैं HOO, but in actual, in practical, this structure does not occur for H2O. So this is electric dipole types, non-polar molecules और polar molecules. Non-polar molecule जिनका net dipole moment 0 के बराबर होगा वो polar molecule, और जिनका dipole moment net dipole moment exist करेगा या 0 के बराबर नहीं होगा वो क्या कहलाएंगे? Polar molecules. Now what is the dipole field? What is the dipole field? इससे पहले what is the dipole moment? So dipole moment is what? यदि ये पता करना हो कि किसी भी इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल की स्ट्रेंथ कितनी है, मींस द measure of strength of electric dipole is known as dipole moment. Now what is dipole? What is an ideal dipole? What is an ideal dipole? If Q tends to infinity, or the separation between them is approaches to 0, then the dipole is said to be an ideal dipole, or point dipole. Now, what is dipole? What is electric dipole moment? What is electric dipole moment? अभी थोड़ा पहले बताया. It is the measure of strength of electric dipole. Mathematically, it is the product of charge and separation between them, that is P equal to Q into 2A. किसी भी, क्योंकि दोनों का मैग्नीट्यूड तो सेम ही होगा, कोई भी एक चार्ज उसकी मल्टीप्लाई किससे कर दे, स्मॉल डिस्टेंस से कर दे, तो हमारे पास क्या रहेगा, इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल मोमेंट आ जाएगा. इट्स अ वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. इट्स अ वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. सो अगर वेक्टर क्वांटिटी है तो इसकी कोई ना कोई डायरेक्शन भी होगी. Let us write what is its direction. The direction of electric dipole moment is in the opposite direction of electric field. That means, suppose that this is the direction of electric field. So if there is an arrangement of electric dipole minus Q plus Q, then this is the direction of electric dipole moment. Now what is dimension formula and what is SI unit? ATL, its SI unit is Coulomb meter. This is all about electric dipole. What is electric dipole? What is its direction? How an electric dipole converted into ideal dipole, and how it is measured. Now, how much electric field is created by electric dipole? So there are two cases to measure electric field in case of electric dipole. First one is in axial line, and the other one is an equatorial plane. So first one we are discussing about electric dipole at an axial point. Electric field due to electric dipole. There are two cases. Number first, electric field at an axial point now. Suppose that there are two charges minus q and plus q. The distance between these two a. So this is a point where net force is 0. Point O. So this distance is a. This is also a. Let us say PV any point in the direction of line joining between two charges. Remember that what we find electric field at an axial point. Axial means जिस लाइन पर दो चार्ज हैं उसी लाइन को आगे बढ़ाते हुए हमें एक पॉइंट मानना है जिस पर हमें इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कैलकुलेट करना है, तो वो क्या कहलाएगा? एक्सियल पॉइंट कहलाएगा. सो लेट P be any point where we calculate electric field, and suppose that the distance from O is equal to R. But when we calculate electric field due to point charge, what we measure? We measure the distance from the charge. So what's the distance from this to point P? Answer is R minus A. And the similar way, the distance between this to this point is R plus A. First thing is, what is the direction of electric field at point P due to plus charge, and what is the direction of electric field at point P due to minus charge? It is very important. Now we know that the direction of electric field at point P due to plus charge is going outward. So this is the direction of electric field E for plus Q. But the direction of electric field at point P due to charge minus Q is inward. So this is in this direction. So now let us something. Let A be equal to electric dipole having length 2a. P a point at which we calculate electric field. So electric field at P due to plus Q is E for plus Q will be equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into Q upon R square. What is R for this? R minus A का होल स्क्वायर. कहां से आया? हम लोग जानते हैं E बराबर 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into Q upon R square is the formula for electric field due to point charge. Now what is its direction? इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड किस डायरेक्शन में होगा? अलोंग along dp. Now electric field at point P due to minus q. So E negative q will be equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into q upon r minus r plus a का होल स्क्वायर अलॉन्ग, क्योंकि ये रिवर्स में आ रहा है तो P से A की तरफ लिखेंगे, अलॉन्ग पी ए. नाउ नेट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड at P due to axial condition will be equal to, what we write it, E plus Q minus E minus Q, because the magnitude of electric field at point P is much more than the magnitude of electric field due to charge minus Q. So there are some common things, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught and charge Q. So it comes out Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught within bracket 1 upon r minus a whole square minus 1 upon r plus a whole square. So what we get, Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught into r plus a whole square minus r minus a whole square over r square minus a square का whole square. So what we get, EXCL बराबर Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught into, what we get from this, r square plus a square plus 2ar, r square plus a square minus 2ar, but due to this minus the last one term is positive and all rest two are negative, so they are cancelled out from this. So what we get 4a r upon r square minus a square का whole square. What is EXCL? Will be equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into Q into, we can write it 2a and 2r upon r square minus a square का whole square. What is Q into 2a? Q into 2a is nothing but electric dipole moment. So what is E electric field due to axial point? It will become out 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into 2 r upon r square minus a square का whole square. This is the basic formula for electric field due to dipole in case of axial condition. But there are some approximations we use. What happen if R is much greater than A? That means if P point is very far away from the dipole, in that case this distance is very small, so we can neglect it. So what is E due to axial condition? It will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into 2p upon r cube. Newton per coulomb. This is all about electric field at an axial position. Now, second one is what? Electric field at an equatorial point. Calculate it. Now what we calculate? We calculate electric field at an axial condition, sorry, at an equatorial point. एक्सेल हम ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड at an equatorial point. So we make an electric dipole minus q plus q. What is equatorial? A point P in from the mid of the electric dipole. This is 2a, so half is a. This distance again small r, but this distance we use in our derivation, we use this distance. Suppose let us say it is AB, so what is BP and PA? So what is that? If it is R, it is A, it is R square plus A square की power half, and this is same also, R square plus A square की power half. Now what is the direction of electric field due to this point? Answer is this is in this direction, E due to plus Q. And what is that? This is going inward. This is E minus Q. So the net resultant is going from this direction. So हम जो हमने यूज किया उनको यहाँ नोट डाउन कर लेते हैं. What is AB? Again an electric dipole. What is BP? It is under root R square plus A square. What is PA? It is again under root R square plus A square. What is P? A point at which we calculate electric field. So what is electric field E due to? So electric field due to plus Q will be equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into Q is again Q, but R square is this, so we can write only R square plus A square along BP. E minus Q will be equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into Q upon R square plus A square. We see from this magnitude of E positive will be equal to magnitude of E negative. Now what is the net magnetic field, sorry, what is the net electric field at point P? Here let us say this is theta, this is also theta, this is theta, so this is also theta, and this theta, this is also theta due to corresponding angles. So if this E positive is this, what is in this direction? E plus Q cos theta, sorry, sin theta. and in this direction E plus Q cos theta. In the similar way, if this is theta, so in this direction it is E minus Q cos theta, and in downward direction E minus Q sin theta. So from the figure it is clear that the vertical components of electric field is cancels out each other. Hence, the total electric field at point P gives by the horizontal component. So, net electric field at point P gives by the horizontal component of electric field. So, what is E due to equatorial will be equal to E plus Q cos theta plus E minus Q cos theta. But E plus Q and E minus Q both are equal in magnitude, so E equatorial will be equal to twice of E plus Q cos theta, twice of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into Q upon R square plus A square into, what is the value of cos theta? We use this triangle cos theta, it is perpendicular, sorry, base upon hypotenuse, so base is A and hypotenuse is this, so A upon R square plus A square की power half. What we get? We get E equatorial will be equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon into, what is Q into 2A? It is nothing but again electric dipole moment P upon R square plus A square की power 3/2.